Receiving compassion can impact somebody's world in so many ways. For one thing, it is very humbling to be the recipient of active love. I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer in the summer of 2014. Compassion played a big role in how I was able to cope and deal with what I was going through. It was a large tumor, so, whole 9 yards, double mastectomy, chemo, radiation. It wasn't a picnic having a double mastectomy, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I guess it wasn't awful for me because I had people around me that were loving me.
The most important thing you can bring to the table when you're treating a person with cancer is compassion. There are multiple studies that show that patients who are treated with compassionate care actually do better. They have a more positive affect, they have stronger immune systems, they heal faster, they have better outcomes. And those outcomes don't necessarily mean their cancer is cured. Those outcomes can be that they have experienced a better journey, that they've experienced healing physically, or psychologically, or emotionally, or spiritually.
Even the medical workers, the oncology nurses, I didn't have one that I wouldn't watch them and think, wow, who is this person? What a gift they have.
You get to know the patients on an intimate level, you get to know their families, you get to speak with them about their hopes, their dreams, their fears, and you get to walk alongside them in their journey. It's very profound, and that's why compassionate care should always be the cornerstone of what we do.
I'm a very independent person, and I want to take care of everybody, and I don't want everybody to worry. So I didn't want to take a lot of that care and compassion that was given to me. Some wise woman told me, Tracy, people love you, and they are going to do things for you, whether you allow it or not. So you need to allow it and let them know what they can do. Don't rob them of that.